Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling voice access under Settings Accessibility. This lets Android accept spoken commands. Once done, grant microphone and overlay permissions so spoken phrases can control UI and input. Make sure to set a secure PIN or pattern as a fallback, because voice control can complement but not replace device lock. Now open the app or screen where you want a voice-activated password and position it. We'll record the phrase and link it to secure input next. You will record a concise, hard-to-guess phrase using a recorder or a shortcut tool. Speak naturally, then trim silence and normalize volume so recognition is reliable. Once recorded, open an automation app, like Shortcuts or Tasker, and create an action that inputs your password when it detects that exact audio trigger. Make sure to test multiple pronunciations and adjust sensitivity. Quieter rooms reduce false positives. Keep the phrase unique and avoid common words, so accidental unlocking is unlikely. You finish by enforcing a confirmation layer. Require PIN or fingerprint after a voice trigger so you don't rely on audio alone. Then store a backup phrase and fully test on a locked device to confirm workflow and timing. If recognition misfires, retrain the voice model or reduce sensitivity in the automation settings. Background noise and similar phrases cause errors. Finally, revoke or rotate the voice phrase periodically, and make sure remote access and screen overlays are limited to trusted apps only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.